There are a number of videos about upgrading Squier pickups to a better standard by changing the magnets, and I wanted to try this, but so I got out some Squier pickups I got out of Affinity Strats, and I noticed a big difference. Before, there used to be magnets stuck to the back, glued on. Now they have been integrated into the design in some way, right here. So we still would like to try and get the pole pieces out and switch them out for Alnico pole pieces, which are not so expensive, but we'll have to get through this part. Well, here is the old neck pickup from my Japanese 80s Strat. It was built in the same way that the first Squier Strats pickups were made. They just glued a ceramic magnet to the bottom of the bobbin here. This is a standard American pickup from a 70s reissue. It's a middle pickup, and as you can see, the pole pieces go all the way through. There's no magnet glued to the bottom here. Pole pieces come all the way through, and this is a staggered pickup, staggered pole pieces. The best way to do this is to get some surface, something soft to put the pickup on, and attack the middle pole pieces first. Use a screwdriver, put it on top. It will stay there because it's magnetic, of course, and give it a gentle tap. I go like whack, or again. If we damage the pole piece, that's not at all bad because we won't be using them anymore. As you can see, it's gone through, and the other side, the magnet has broken. Well, you may have to whack it again because the glue is still stuck on the outer edges, so let's position it like this. Take the outer one and not be too. Let's try easy. Okay, it moved. So let's try this one. A firm but gentle tap should do it. Let go, let go. Unga, unga, unga. Yeah, funny stuff. Mother of God. Okay. Whackety whack, yakety yak. Don't look back. I'm telling you, these guys at the Squier factory, they are looking at YouTube and they discovered people upgrading these cheapo pickups. So they said, let's make it a bit more difficult. It's really hard to get them out, but don't focus on the outer ones. They're most difficult to get out. Focus on the middle ones first, especially this one. If you really do it intelligently and start from one side and gently tap them one by one, it's really possible to get the magnet out without breaking it in one piece, which is always the best idea. Apparently, and I don't know if it shows, but the glue is always applied to one side of the pickup only, for the side here. So tap these, the middle ones, then go towards the end, and then it should pop right out. Here's another one that came out quite clean, like this. And diameter is 5 millimeters. The length is 11 millimeters. 11 millimeters. The thickness of the ceramic magnet bar is a little over 5 millimeters. If I measure the thickness or the length of the pole pieces that will definitely fit this bobbin, they should not be longer than 17.5 millimeters, something like that. That's the length of the ceramic magnet plus the length of the rods. So this is what we end up with: the coil itself, some metal rods, unmagnetized, and a broken magnet. I think if you want to change the pole pieces of your Squier Strat, this is the website to look at, tonecraft.com. Here's my order. I ordered some different magnets. I ordered Alnico 3, a staggered set, but also Alnico 5 and Alnico 8 even. The reason being that I discovered that these Squier pickups are underwound. They're not, they don't have the same resistance as the American pickups. These are some of the values that I measured on these Squier pickups: 5K, 4K 80, which is still 1K under the value of a standard American Strat. Like this one, it's 5K 77. Mind you, the old Japanese Squier pickups were even less resistance in the neck, 4.4K. You want 0.195 inch rods to fit the Squier pickups. The length, if you don't want staggered pole pieces, the shortest one should be like at least 0.63 inches. There are options to have them magnetized or not magnetized. For some, you can have them magnetized. We'll see how that works. I also ordered a Stratocaster flatwork, 3 pieces to build maybe my own pickups. They were really cheap.